As an option trader, I do everything I can to make sure that all of my trades are profitable, including this one secret hack that I'm about to share with you. For all the years I've been trading stock options, there's one thing that holds true. And for every profitable trade, it all begins with picking the right stocks. And so my secret hack is to start every trading session using this. If you haven't seen this before, this is my one-button stock screener. Basically, it's a PDF document where on the first page, I explain a little bit about what it is and how it works, the steps to follow so that you can use it. And then on the second page, I have buttons already programmed to open a stock screener based upon the criteria that you're looking for. For example, if I'm looking for a stock screener to find me stocks that provide larger premiums, I simply press this button here. As you can see, this button is hyperlinked and will automatically open a stock screener already filled in with the criteria needed to identify stocks that pay larger premiums. So I'm thinking we should try it out. Well, let's try it out. Let me show you how it works. Let's start by looking for stocks that are performing really well. So I'm going to use this button here, finding stocks that are in a bullish trend. So I go ahead and move my cursor over to bullish trend, simply push that button, and my stock screener automatically opens up, pre-configured with the settings to show me the stocks that are in a bullish trend. As you can see, out of the 8,000 stocks, it's identified 357 stocks that meet this criteria. Let's go ahead and narrow it down. First, I'm going to pick market cap. I like to see companies that have a larger market cap, so I'm going to narrow it down by specifying a criteria to show me only those companies that have a market cap of $300 million or more. By selecting that, you can see the total of stocks available now goes down to 267. Of these, let's find out which ones are optionable. So I'll go here where it says option/short, and I'm going to pick optionable. And now our available choices is 248. Next, let's find out which stocks the analysts recommend as a buy or better. So I'll go to the analyst recommendations, choose the pull down, and pick the selection that says buy or better. And now our number of available choices is 193. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I like to pick stocks that are highly liquid. In other words, I want to find the stocks where there's a lot of interest of buying and selling by the investors and traders. So to help me find the stocks that are highly liquid, I'm going to be specifying the average volume using the pull down and finding those that have an average trading volume of 1 million or more. And now our number of available choices goes to 74. That's still a lot of stocks to be looking at in order to perform a research to find the best ones for options trading. Let's see if we can't narrow this down some more. Another criteria we could use is to find those stocks whose companies are based in the United States. So for that, I'm going to select the country option here and use the pull down to select USA. And now our number of available stocks is at 62. So it brought the number down some, but still that's a lot of stocks to research. So how about finding the companies that are profitable? One quick way to do that is to specify a PE ratio or price to earnings ratio that's positive. So using this pull down, I'm going to select the choice that says profitable. So the number is going to be greater than 0. So the price to earnings ratio needs to be greater than 0. And now the number of available stocks is down to 42. We're getting better, but still I think we can narrow this down even more. Another criteria we can use is the price of the stock. So for example, if our budget or what we're interested in are stocks that are say $20 or less, we can specify that by choosing this pull down and specifying under $20. As you can see, there's a number of different choices available. So pick the one that makes the most sense based upon your account size, your risk tolerance, and what you're actually looking for in a stock. So as you can see, there's lots of different choices, including the $20, $15, under 10, under 7, under 5, under 4, under 3. So you can get down and actually find stocks that are under $1, part of this screening process. So let's make it simple by finding stocks that have a current share price of under $20. And now we have a total of 9 available stocks that meet our search criteria. So using this number, it's a lot easier to do some research just based off of these 9 stocks. If you're interested in the charts, here's one quick way to look at a chart for each of these stock symbols. Simply move your cursor over this ticker symbol and you'll get a thumbnail view of that chart associated with that particular stock. You'll notice as I move the cursor down, the charts will also change. Here's the first one. Now let's go down and take a look at the second one. Stock symbol NEX, and you can see its chart. Next, let's take a look at the third. CPRX and its chart, and so on down the line. So as I move my cursor down, I get a thumbnail view of the stock chart for each of these stocks. But what if I wanted to see all the charts at once for these 9 companies? What could I do? Well, easy enough. I move my cursor to the middle of the screen where you can see the word charts. And what that will do is return to me a display of all the charts for the different 9 stocks that meet my stock criteria. So at a glance now, I can easily see the stocks that meet my criteria and perform an initial technical review of the stocks based off of their chart. Well, that's pretty cool. How much does it cost and what's included? In this free one-button stock screener, I've included 4 buttons to provide these different options. Find stocks that pay larger premiums. Find stocks that are in a bullish trend. Find stocks that are considered analyst favorites. And find stocks that have extraordinary trading volume. So if you'd like to get your own free copy of the one-button stock screener, simply visit my website, simplestockscreener.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.